In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for task management. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the templates section. Templates are a great way to kickstart your workflow because they come pre-built with lists and sample cards, so you don't have to design a system from scratch. Inside templates, use the search bar and type task management. This narrows the gallery to boards designed specifically for organizing your work. From the results, choose the daily task management template. It's a simple, effective setup that typically includes lists for planning your day, tracking progress, and wrapping up tasks, which makes it perfect whether you're working solo or coordinating with a small team. Open the template and click Use Template. This creates your own copy that you can customize. You're not changing the original. You're spinning up a fresh board you control. Next, give your board a clear, descriptive title. A good title helps you instantly recognize the purpose of the board. For example, you might combine a theme and time frame like daily tasks, marketing or personal tasks this week. Pick something that will still make sense to you a month from now. Select a workspace to store the board. Your workspace is where your boards live and where permissions are managed. If you'll collaborate with others, choose a shared workspace with the right people in it. If it's just for you, a personal workspace keeps things simple. Confirm the visibility settings so the right audience can access the board. Click Create to generate the board. Trello will open it immediately so you can begin organizing. You should see lists like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or similar categories depending on the template. Now manage your task management directly on the board. Add a card for each task and keep card titles short and actionable. Open a card to add details, include a brief description, set a due date so Trello can remind you, and use labels to group tasks by priority or category. If you're working with others, assign members to cards so responsibilities are clear. For tasks with multiple steps, add a checklist and tick items off as you go. As work progresses, drag cards from To Do to In Progress and then to Done. This visual flow makes your workload easy to scan at a glance. At the end of the day, archive completed cards to keep the board tidy and quickly review what's left to plan tomorrow. And that's it. You've set up and started using Trello for effective daily task management.